Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is PaaS, Propelling Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and this is the seventh session in the Cloud Computing series. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Satheesan Warrior, Director OSRDG Cloud Computing Services. Mr. Satheesan is currently engaged in software product design and development, leveraging several open source initiatives and public cloud computing platforms. He founded OSRDG Cloud Computing Services in 2007. He has been solely managing its business interests ever since. He conducts public workshops on cloud computing technologies and also addresses corporate workshops on Invite. Mr. Satheesan Warrier is an experienced application architect and consultant in cloud computing technologies and has conducted more than 25 public workshops and dedicated corporate workshops on the topic so far. A good clientele has benefited from his consulting, design, and development skills in cloud technologies. He's passionate about evangelizing and promoting cloud computing among small and medium businesses and web entrepreneurs. He is a certified PMP and IBM certified people manager. He has more than 2 decades of experience in software exports, strategic outsourcing engagements, offshore delivery projects, software product development services, recruitment and people management before founding OSRDG Cloud Computing Services. He has spoken at various national and international seminars. His past career had been with Ion Idea Interactive Private Limited, IBM Software Labs, IBM Global Services, Larsen & Toubro Infotech Limited, PAC Limited, Patni Computer Systems, VJTI Mumbai, and DRDO Pune. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Satheesan.
Hey, thank you very much, uh, Mohini, for giving this good opportunity to present and share the experience on PaaS. So let me begin with the first slide. Well, we will start with a few definitions which will help our overall objective of this session. First of all, innovation. It is a word quite widely used in the IT industry and elsewhere. Let us see what uh, Business Dictionary talks about it. The process of translating an idea or invention into a good or services that creates value or for which customer will pay. So that's the word here. An idea for which customer will pay, and moreover it should be replicable at an economical cost. Slide transition is taking a little time. Let's wait for it. Entrepreneurship. The capacity and willingness to develop, organize, manage business venture along with any of its risks in order to make a profit. Yes, that's what's very important for us. We all are into business and we would like to make a profit on all efforts what we put in on the technology. PaaS. To put it in simple terms, PaaS is the middleware. It is an infrastructure software to build, deploy, serve, and monitor your applications. And as well as all requirements to how to operate, how to optimize your application. It is the intermediary between underlying system infrastructure and overlaying application software. Next, let us see the